Stuck with the WinRT String Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To start our guide for WinRT String Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the WinRT String Library. Bridges localized WinRT string handling calls to the Windows core, essential for modern Windows apps to process text and metadata in the sandboxed environment. Missing versions prevent system apps like Calculator or Photos from launching correctly. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. api-ms-win-core-winrt-string L110 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the WinRT string library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online/cleanup-image/forward/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Using an incorrect or outdated version of WinRT String Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for WinRT String Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure WinRT String Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.